Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in cryptocurrency, specifically Build and Build or BNB, on eToro step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. You will get right here. Next, tap on the search bar and start typing Build. Select it. And now tap the trade button to start your purchase. Decide how much you would like to invest. And you can also adjust a few settings here. For example, order type. Choose market order if you would like to buy immediately at the current price, or limit if you would like to set a specific price. Finally, click on Buy, and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investment by tapping on the pie chart. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.